And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, seeing a little bit of patchy fog off toward the south of Lafayette this morning. A mile and a quarter now at the Purdue Airport, about half mile Crawfordsville, Newmarket, about a mile and a half Attica, 2.5 miles in Covington, Frankfort about 3 miles as well. So really Lafayette and southward could be running into a little bit of fog, especially down 231 this morning, so be extra careful with that. And you might also be seeing a few lightning strikes in the distance southwest of Champaign near Effingham, southeast of Springfield. These storms are moving along a warm front that's just to our south and west and southern Indiana. So those storms riding the south, we'll be watching this cluster of storms. It looks like it might fall apart as it's moving away from the parent front that will be kind of sitting still for the next couple of hours, but it will start to move northward, the warm front across our area later on tonight, which will really increase the humidity and the temperatures for tomorrow, and then eventually a cold front will move in Wednesday evening. We'll track that here just a second. 63 currently in Logansport, 65 Monticello, 61 Rensselaer, 66 Attica, 62 in Crawfordsville to start off your Tuesday. If you are going to be poolside today, soak in the sunshine while you can. We're going to be having a lot of sun today. Partly cloudy skies by the afternoon, partly sunny, but it will be warm. Use sunscreen. The sun's still very powerful. 92 to 95 will be heat index values for today, with actual air temperatures about upper 80s to lower 90s in some spots. So still a pretty hot afternoon. Tomorrow will be pretty warmer, and that's where we begin. Futurecast here, 6:30 in the morning on Wednesday. We'll start off fairly windy. It's going to be a windy day tomorrow. Winds right out of the southwest, bringing in that moisture, that very hot air. The warm front's up here, but we're watching a cold front that's going to be working its way in. Storms will start to form along that front and then start to move in after about 5-6 o'clock on our northwestern counties. Here's 7:30, and then as we get toward about 5:30 in the morning Thursday, those showers will still be with us as that front will start to slow down and cause for more showers and storms to form along this stationary front now that's going to be draped across our area for Thursday. So we could be talking some rounds of rain and storms for tonight and throughout the evening hours, overnight into Thursday. So flash flooding could be a potential, as well as some severe weather. Wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour could be possible. So Wednesday, again, very windy. It'll get very hot quickly during the afternoon hours, but then we'll watch that front start to move through with some showers and storms after about 3 o'clock, with temperatures in the mid-90s, and then we'll start to see some relief, at least temperature-wise, with the rain-cooled air. So the severe storm outlook for Wednesday afternoon into the evening hours, a level 1 risk. Damaging winds, large hail are the main threats, but some of these storms could kind of sit or backbuild or ride along that front going into the overnight hours and into Thursday, which could lead to some very heavy rainfall. And the latest model guidance shows about a ½ inch to possibly even 1.5 inches of rain, maybe even 2, just depending on some of those storms. So look at this map and don't say, well, Attica's going to get 2 inches. Don't read that map like this. It's definitely going to be kind of a watch where the storms develop, and that could develop anywhere in our region, really into Wednesday night into Thursday. So we will pay close attention to that forecast, and we'll keep you updated on how those storms go. Just keep an eye to the sky and download that Storm Team 18 weather app for that live interactive radar. Now temperatures will cool off a little bit Thursday, Friday, but back into the 90s, Marley, by Saturday and Sunday.
You made the good point too. Just because it says 90s means it's not really going to feel just like that. Correct.
Yeah. You know, today and tomorrow, especially heat index values tomorrow could easily reach 100 degrees. So it's going to be a hot couple of days ahead. So be sure to stay cool and find that cool spot for you.
Absolutely. And then a little bit of rain maybe tomorrow?
I think, yeah, tomorrow afternoon, evening will be the best chance for those scattered showers and that line of storms to move in. We'll be watching that closely because some severe storms could be along with that. And maybe some torrential rainfall could be likely going into Thursday. So just something that we're going to continue to watch closely.
Absolutely, but we're definitely starting off August here, just hot and humid again.
Yes, hot and humid, summer continues.
All right.